Hi, this is Danny from Deep South Homestead. We're out here today gathering our rattlesnake beans. What we're looking for, our vines are beginning to die. The heat and the humidity is killing them. We let our beans go to the point where we see the stem on them is dying here, like this right here. There's no life left in it. The bean has turned a yellowish brown, motley looking color. Real soft. You can feel the bean inside the hull is no longer firm. We're pulling those off, putting them in the bucket down here, as you can see. I got them in here with some of my okra. I just decided to pick them. We just basically go through looking. Here's some more right here. See these? The vine is dead up here. There's no life left in it. It's all brown. The beans are real soft. You can feel the beans in them. Some of them have already dried completely, so we're going to get those off. And they're kind of hard to see. You kind of got to, now this one here, even though it's a bright color like this, and the stem is dead, it's still good to pick because it's all dead. There's no life left in this. And they turn this color when the sun hits them a lot. So don't let that fool you. If they turn a blood red or something like that, they're still good for seed. This one here is not ready because, see, there's still the green still in the stem up here. The bean has still got a lot of green in it, even though it has some purple. This one's not ready. Even though we feel the beans in it, it's firm, it's hard. It's not ready. We're going to leave it for a later date. We're going to just continue our way on down through here. Some of them will be no good. Some of them will be good. We just have to wait till we shell them out to see. Some of them like this one have no beans in it whatsoever. We just go ahead and get them off. You have some like this that the insects come in. They begin to eat them up. There's no need leaving anything like that on there. There's some more. Just get that kind of stuff off. Back down the other side. You can't really see them. Both sides. What they call them, rattlesnakes? One right here. A lot of these are still green. You'll find there's even some places where some new blooms are actually trying to come on, but it's too late in the season, guys. The blight's already hit them from the heat and the humidity and everything. And just because, just because they're green, we're in the seed saving mode, so we're just letting them go. You'll still find a couple every now and then that's good beans. I mean, they're still actually edible. I mean, there's nothing wrong with them. But we're just going to let them go because we need all the seed we can get from them for future crops. You got the blight has hit, it's hit most of them, I'll say. It's not, you don't want to be saving them after this point anyway because it'd be just, the land's better used for something else. Plus, we've got to get this ready for our gardening. We've got to get all this out as soon as this is over with. Get this ground kind of worked. Okay, guys, here's the rattlesnake beans right here. That is in the dry stages. We have them here. You can hear them, they're dry, good. We're going to be shelling them out. We've already shelled some next to it here. These here is already dried and shelled out. Now we have a few white ones in it. I'm not sure what's up with that. There's a few white ones like here, and there's a couple of white ones in here. I don't know if it's a pigmentation issue in the beans or what. They look just like the rest of them. It's just it's the bean shelled out white. I'll probably discard those. But I wanted to show y'all
what they look like sitting here dried. And we just shell them out, and once we shell them out, then we put them in a airtight, like a Ziploc bag or something to preserve them in. We don't put them in the freezer. I don't see any need to put these in a freezer. We just put these in a cool, dark place and store them that way. And they've done good. Now you can even put them in a glass jar because technically they are a dry bean. They could be rehydrated and recooked just like red beans or anything else. You could do that with them. But we're saving these this year for our seeds. So I wanted to take y'all along on this journey of harvesting rattlesnake beans for seeds and for food for the future. Thank you from Deep South Homestead.